It's time for some motivation to move. Now, we know exercise can give us so many health benefits. So today, we're learning how to take our workouts to the next level. And what's better than an exercise that's 2 for 1? Let's find out why compound movements can help keep our bodies healthy. And keeping us moving, he does. It's Sean Armstead from Phenomenal Fitness. Sean, can you explain exactly what a compound exercise is?
Compound exercise is one that involves 2 or more joints, essentially in a front and back, side to side, or rotational type movement pattern.
It's simple movements that give us big benefits.
The benefits are, it can be work capacity, conditioning, it can be strength, it can be mobility, it can be coordination, and it creates a lot of opportunity, more joints, more muscles, so you can burn a lot of calories, you can get a lot of work done in a short period of time. So it is definitely of a more advanced variety depending on the movement patterns and how heavy and how long you do it.
Can it help us with functionality in our everyday lives?
Incorporating the proper amount of complex and the types of complex exercises can be huge in de-aging the body.
I mean, there's so many benefits to compound exercises. Are compound exercises something we should incorporate into our workouts every day?
I would say not necessarily every day, because if you move a lot, then you tend to have to rest a lot too. So for some people, I think 2-day a week, 3-day a week compound, because there's still a need to do isolated moves.
I like it. All right, Sean, so the best way to learn something new is to see examples, and you have 3 compound movements you're going to show us today.
Yes, I am. This is the reverse lunge side circle move. I'm holding the dumbbell on the edge. I'm gonna hinge into my hip with my lunge. I'm gonna move in toward the middle. Then I'm gonna straight my arms up, push through the ground, straight my arms up. Then I can reverse it.
Okay, Sean, I love exercise number 1. What is compound movement number 2?
Compound movement number 2 is a cross-back lunge with a front reach at shoulder height, and then a straight arm rotation at the top. We're working legs, quads, glutes, shoulders, triceps, and rotational trunk muscles.
Let's move on to exercise number 3.
So I'm gonna lunge forward and lateral. And then back. 5 to 10 reps.
So as we wrap things up today, leave us with some words of wisdom. What do you want everyone to remember about our conversation?
Understand what the compound movement brings to you and what you need to do to make it better. You can do it to get more things in a shorter period of time, and you can do it to prioritize getting more muscles and joints stimulated in a given period of a day, a week.
Sean, thank you so much. It's always great to have you on the show. Okay, now it's your turn. We want to hear from you. Show us your compound exercises. Just tag us on Instagram at Living Healthy TV. Hey, did you like that? And now you want more info about living a healthy life? Well, it's easy. Just check out these videos right here.